All right, we've got a 2004 Ford, and there is water leaking in the passenger side door on the carpet. Carpet is wet. First thing you want to check is right here. You want to see if that's full of debris, and if it is, you want to clean it out, and then you want to hose it out. When you do that, it may get a little water in here because this is the main drain point for the windshield area and the firewall area. So first, check and see that that isn't full of debris. Clean it out if it is. If that doesn't do it, the other option, the other possible thing you want to check is underneath here is the fan. Basically the vent for all the air that you get into your vehicle. It gets sucked in over on that side and then into the car over here. You want to pull out the fasteners here and you want to unscrew the screws. These fasteners look like this. It's a plastic screw with four, let's see here, there we go. Plastic screw with four tongs here that can compress. To get these out, you want to unscrew these screws. You may have to push up from the bottom to get them started, and you can pull the screw out and then lift this part out easy. To get it back in, just hold these together and press it into the hole, and then put the screw in and screw it in. These are just straight on Phillips head screws that you just screw out. So yeah, when I was having to get these out, I had to press underneath here to get the screws to engage, but once I did that, it came right out here. And at that point, you can pull this thing off. Underneath this is the air vent. Pull that out. Okay, you can see that vent is there. You can see the water travels down here. It travels underneath this vent, comes out over here, and then it goes into that hole there, which leads to that first area I told you to clean out. So if this area is blocked, unblock it. The other thing you want to check to see is if this thing is loose. Along this seam here, the caulking can get old, brittle, crack, and let water in there. Although it is designed not to do that by the contour of this whole area, it can. So if this is loose, or if you can pull it off, you want to take this thing off and recaulk all around the area, all around this edge. So that's a main vent there. Then up in here, right in there is a hole that the top of your car, along the edge of the top of your door, the windshield, will drain into as well. That is a lot smaller, but God, it's so bright here. Not that I'm complaining, but anyway, it's right there. You want to make sure that area is clean. That also leads to that first area I showed you. And that's how debris gets down to that first area. Little twigs and leaves and debris. So that area, this bigger area, are the two main areas on the top that if they get clogged may lead to water on the floorboard of the passenger side. So in my case, these areas were both clear, but that first area was just full of muck. Hosed it out, cleaned it out, You can see all the debris here that came out of it. First thing I did was hose out. There's a little hole there that was clogged full of junk, and then I opened the door panel, or opened the door, and was able to get that much larger opening right there, and that was just full of leaves and dirt and muck. Anyway, that should fix your problem with water on the passenger side of your car.